So it rained really hard, and as you could see, a lot of tree branches, they look really large if you were actually here. They fell, but I seen something and I got a little bit close to it. And I'm gonna let you all see. This is a baby bird that must have been in the tree. And there's flies on it, of course. The poor bird did not survive. We've been getting a lot of heavy rain. Look at the bird's feet, the claws, and where the wing was. That's really sad. That poor bird. You know, I'm probably gonna have to pick it up. Oh, that's really sad. Yeah, but it didn't make it. You know, a lot of trees, coming down and stuff. I've never seen anything like this before, though. Never. But poor bird, the poor bird didn't make it.